Make sure to save your project. Go to File menu, click Save As, and save the project. Name it in the path you would like. Then save. I saved it. So next step, we will talk about units. If you go to the bottom corner, left corner, you will see units. Click on it and make sure to select metric SI defaults for our project. The second thing is to go to consistent units. Make sure to set up the length unit to be in millimeter, in meter. First unit to be in kilonewton and temperature to be in Celsius. After that, go to show units form and have a look for the table. You can change the decimal places so you will have more accuracy. The next thing that I would like to share, design code. Go to design menu, concrete frame design. So our project is reinforced concrete, not steel. And go to view revise preferences. The first option is design code. Make sure to select ACI 31819s. There is a lot of codes like urban codes and other codes. In our case, it is ACI 31819. Other things we will talk about it later, and this is for now.